Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're drop testing this cheap Nokia device on Cricket. I don't think it works. It might be a resistive touchscreen. It has a lot of scratches on it, so I don't know. But we're going to see what happens. On the backdrop, waist tight in 3, 2, 1. It doesn't have a battery, as I just noticed. It's a Nokia 1018. Really can't tell any damage. Maybe down here in the corner, it looks like, maybe on the back. It's going to do the corner drop in 3, 2, 1. These back covers on those Nokia seem really cheap. So I think it hit right here, as you can tell. Well, you guys will pretty much know when I'm editing the drop test videos because I have no idea. Screen is still good. Face down from waist height in 3, 2, 1. So my question, it is not a resistive touchscreen as it's shattered instantly. That's pretty cool. We'll go backdrop at head height in 3, 2, 1. So the force from that drop cracked the front a little bit more. It's actually hard to tell about damage, but the front, you can see it went from here straight down. We'll try a corner drop. The wind's picking up, so I don't really have high hope in this corner drop, but we'll see if we can get it to happen. In 3, 2, 1. Here's the back cover. The poor little Nokia phone. Looks like I got it to hit the corner that time. I'm going to go for the face down drop in 3, 2, 1. And I think it shattered just a little bit more right on this end. Not really a whole lot, to be honest. Looks like it probably hit right there. Alright, I guess we're going to throw it up in the air and see what happens. 3, 2, 1. So here is the back cover. We'll come over here and grab it first. Get the rocks out of it. Looks like it probably hit right here. And bowed the plastic out. I'm going to drop it on the rocks here and face down from in 3, 2, 1. Didn't really do much. We'll skip it across the asphalt on the back and in the front. I didn't go very far. So from the back, very few scratches. Here in the camera, let's take a little scratch on it, and it's plastic. Now for the screen in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the screen did better that time. We got some more cracks. And then we'll just kind of just hope for it to hit the screen when I throw it up in the air this time. Yes, I hate this phone, to be honest. I do not like this Nokia. It's really, really cheap. Yeah. And there we go. That pretty much ends up this phone, guys. Hope you enjoyed the recent drop test. And hopefully I'll get back to making some more videos soon. And until then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.